Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your country in the Vivino app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the profile icon. Now we tap on settings, and then here we have country. We tap on our country, and then we have a list from which we can select our country. And I don't know if we are from whichever country from this list, we can select it. If you are from Algeria, we can select that or whatever. And after we have selected it, we just tap on cancel, and it's going to be saved like so, saved to what we selected. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.